Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at Syrup or the Maple Finance new token. So previously it was called MPL and they had a big migration where they basically migrated from MPL to this new token. So this launched back in November as you can see, but after launching in November it did not see that much listings on exchanges, and now we finally have a Coinbase listing, so that is a massive for Syrup, I would say. As you can see here, it got listed on Coinbase on March 13th, as you can see here. So let's look at this token and whether it has any potential or not. And so starting with this platform itself, I have already a lot of video on this. I won't be going in depth about the platform itself, but again, this is a platform where they basically provide institutional yield, as you can see. So they are lending platform, as you can see here, and this is their DApp basically. And so if we just go here, this is their lend section. Okay, so okay, I will just try to skip this. So this is their lend section. As you can see, as of now they have a massive APY of around 11%. We have USDT around 6.5 and USDC around 7%, which is a massive one. And again, if we do look at their details, we do have a pretty good ratio for collateral, as you can see, which is a massive one. So this means it is pretty much safe from, I would say, like going bankrupt. Anyways, we do have a massive TVL, as you can see here, and as of now they have around 15 loans, as you can see here. So overall they have this is a massive platform, and if you look at the market cap of its token, it's around 111 million, and if we look at MPL, it's around 59 million. And this coin is only available on Coinbase, and I think they will most likely delist this. I'm not sure because they have just listed Syrup, so I'm not sure what is the future of MPL when as long as it's on exchanges. But if you do hold MPL, and you can, I think, always swap it to Syrup, so I don't think it matters that much. So it's okay if you're holding this one or that one anyways. But if we do look at the changes that they brought along with Syrup, we do have a lot. So basically they minted around 1.1 billion. So the ratio for conversion was around 1 MPL to 100 Syrup. So basically there was no dilution for MPL tokens, so that's pretty good. But they do have inflation, as you can see here. So previously MapleDAO wanted to recapitalize the Maple treasury, introducing a one-time issuance of 1 million MPL and 3 years emission of 5% per annum. And after that we have with conversion of 1 MPL to 100 Syrup, all the issuance from the initial schedule will also be minted along. Basically they minted this inflation for the Syrup as well, and this is a breakdown. So we have 1 billion new supply, we have 100 million from the inflation, which is basically 10%, and we have 54 million from the inflation until October 2024, as you can see here. So basically the supply did went so by September 2026 the supply will be around 1.2 billion, and as of now we have a supply of around 1.18 billion. So in 1 year we will see around, I believe, 22 million coins in the market for the Syrup. But if you do that is a massive supply, that is a massive increase in supply. But if you do look at the platform itself, it has seen a massive growth. So this is just enormous growth. As you can see here, we in just March it was around 51 million, and as of now it is around 355 million. This is a massive growth. And even if we do look at Dune, as you can see here, again the Maple TVL by day is increasing massively. So this is a massive growth. And even if you look at protocol revenue, this is a massive one. So the tokenomics of the coin for the Syrup is basically for the governance, and you can also stake it, and the staking rewards are coming from the fees from the management fees, and they are buying the syrup from the market and they are giving it to the stakers, and the stakers do earn from inflation as well. So that is a massive APY for the stakers as well. So if you're if you're interested in staking syrup, you will get a lot of APY as well. So that's pretty good. So if you look at the revenue, this is a massive growth. So that means we will most likely see increase in demand for the syrup coin because of this revenue. Most likely, at least from the TVL, it looks like that we will most likely see a pretty good growth for the syrup from the looks of it. Again, these fundamentals show that there should be increase in demand for the syrup in near future, from at least from my perspective. So looking at the token itself, so it has a market cap of 111 million, as you can see. And if we look at the Maple at its peak, so it had a market cap of around 300 million. So that means there is a possibility that syrup could actually hit as high as this market cap. So that means there is a potential that syrup could 3x from here. Of course, this is just based on looking at these various fundamentals that this coin has as of now, and everything looks like that the demand for the platform itself is increasing. So in theory, it should impact syrup coin in the future. So let's see, but I think we have bottomed out for the syrup coin, as you can see, around 11 cent, oh sorry, 10 cents. So I think it has started to go up and it is going up again. If you're holding MPL, the price action for both of them is mostly the same, as you can see here. So this is the 3-month chart for the MPL, and this is the same chart for syrup, and the price is basically same. So you can easily convert MPL to syrup as well. So as of now, the MPL supply is around 4 million, and I think this will most likely migrate in the future as well. But I think looking at these TVL and looking at the revenue growth for the platform, we could expect a massive pump for the syrup in the future. But again, it can also go down, and if it does go down, we will most likely go, let's see where, okay, so if it does starts to go down, it has gone down in the past as low as 35 million or 34 million. So that is something you should know. So it can also go as low as 5 cent or even lower if it does continues to go down. But as of now, it seems like that it has finally got some momentum, and I think it will most likely go up. So there's a possibility we could 3x on this coin. But again, we do have a pretty good resistance around 25 cent and even around 26 cents. So let's see if it does break that. But I think looking at the increase in the demand for the Maple, I think we could actually see a massive pump. And even if you look at Maple RWS, those are doing pretty good as well. And overall, I think this immense growth should help syrup to go up, but I'm not sure. We'll see in the future. Anyway, this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.